I was working.
I didn't have grey hairs.
You were playing soccer.
Yeah, I didn't have grey hairs back then.
When we started here, we were literally a 4-day pop-up market.
Yeah, it was just mum, dad and us. I was just only a little fella, but coming with my brothers to help set up this store and open this store for the first time. And
As the locals started coming in, we started growing the business, and now we see ourselves here, over 20 years later, and still connecting and building relationships with the community around here, which is only 15 minutes away from Chadstone. The great thing about Heatherton is it's such a big site. Behind us there's 8 acres of our growing division. We grow about 25 to 30% of our stock. We've literally got everything, a massive range of pots and outdoor accessories, and a massive range of indoor plants.
it's raining out there. Look at the customers. This is what it's all about. It's raining and there's customers out there. Look at the passion.
That's what excites us, given to
Love
the
it.
community, and we love what we do.